Okay, so how do you use booking.com? Well, let's say you have created an account and now you are searching for your vacation home. So this is what the search engine looks like. Right here, you can search for any city that you want to go to or any place that you want to go to. So you can just write and it will give you prompts with different cities or the location that you are searching for. So let's do Rome, Italy, sorry. And you just gotta click on it and it automatically fills this in for you. So as for the dates that you would like to visit, you have to first press on the check-in date and then you select the check-out date, and as you can see, it highlights all of the dates that you will book. So for example, from the 3rd of January until the 5th of January. And the last thing that we need to check is this: how many people are going to stay with us. So adults, just one adult, we can add children, so on and so forth. So you can select either of these. I'm looking for an entire apartment, I'm traveling for work, or I'm looking for flights. So let's just leave it as this, and if you press on the search bar, it will give you a list of all of the options, and they are sorted by top picks for solo travelers. So if you want to change this, what you do is just select it and then you can filter it by the lowest price first. So it will automatically filter it for you. So as you can see here, you can see all of the options that we have. What else can we do? Here we can set a price range. So this is per night. So if you want to see the cheapest options, you can just drag the slider over here and you will be given a list of the most popular filters under it. So 4 stars, free Wi-Fi, so on and so forth. You can select whichever, whatever accordingly to your needs, and also you can select the ratings options. So if you want to visit a 1-star hotel, you can just check this. 4 stars, you see how this works. So basically these are all of the filters right here that we can select, and let's do 4 stars, see what this website has to offer. So let's say we want to book this. All we got to do is click on the property itself. It will open up a new tab that's going to look like this. Just going to confirm all of your information right here. You can read through this, and then if you want to book, you got to select rooms. You just got to click on the drop down menu, select one room, and then you will select I'll reserve. And this is what it's going to look like. You can, or you have to include all of your information, and then they will ask you for your credit card details, depending on whether they want this to be prepaid or if you pay when you enter the property itself. So here you will write your information and then just gotta click on final details, and you will write your credit card information and you will confirm your reservation. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.